After over 20 years in the Corvette and classic car industry, and me being a true red-blooded American car guy, I've come to realize there's more to a car than just the car itself. Sometimes, if you do a little digging, if you listen close to what the car has to tell you, you just might uncover a fascinating tale. This is American Car Stories. Hello everyone, I'm Chris, and welcome to another episode of American Car Stories, coming to you from Blue1981 in Atlanta. And today I've got a really nice car for you to check out. This is a 1981 Corvette in the silver and dark blue two-tone paint scheme. A lot of things were going on in 1981 in the Corvette world. It's the only year that they were simultaneously building the Corvette in two different locations. St. Louis, like this car was built, and then the Bowling Green where they still make the cars now. In 1981, they made the very first car at the Bowling Green facility on August 1st. This car was built on July 23rd, making it one of the very last ones made at that production facility. What's also interesting, they went to the two-stage paint when they moved to the Bowling Green. They actually painted this with the two-stage paint at the St. Louis facility. Even furthermore, they only made 100 of these two-tone cars in 1981. The silver blue, they made 25, so they only made one of 25 in this paint scheme. Very special car. 1981 was the last year of the manual transmission for the third generation Corvette. Also for 1981, they introduced a rear monoleaf fiberglass reinforced spring that reduced the weight of the car by 36 pounds. This new rear spring was standard unless the car was ordered with the Gymkhana suspension, or in this case had the trailering package. Also for 1981, they offered cloth, leather, or vinyl. This car was equipped with the rare cloth interior and appears to be an original and in very good condition. In 1981, they had a 190 horsepower L81 introduced that was certified for all 50 states. This L81 is matching numbers and is also equipped with some pretty nice stuff. It's got tilt and telescoping steering, slotted aluminum wheels, and the two-tone paint that we talked about. It's got rear defrost, power windows, power door locks, power driver's seat, power steering, power brakes, power antenna, and a cargo shade. One of the cool features I like about this Corvette is the radio. It comes with an 8-track cassette, AC/DC 8-track in it, and a CB. Let's see if this thing works. Break 19, it's Chris Classic looking for the Shady Lady. Come in, Shady Lady, got your ears on?
Hey Chris Classic, you got the Shady Lady here. How you doing?
We'll save that one for another episode. Let's get back to the car. This car has 38,000 miles. We know its actual mileage, but has been exempted by the current state of Georgia title. The paint appears to be original with no acid rain. Code correct date codes on all the glass, including the T-tops. The glass is in excellent condition all the way around. The polished slotted wheels are in excellent condition along with the center caps. All the gauges are clear and in excellent working condition as well. This car comes with the original owner's manual, shop manual, original window sticker, original GM maintenance schedule, along with records dating back to 2012. Thank you for tuning in to American Car Stories. I really hope you enjoyed the video of this 81. If you'd like to see more videos, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to check this car out a little bit closer, go to the link below, blue1981.net. Feel free to reach out to me direct. This concludes this episode of American Car Stories. I'll see you next time.